Okay, number one, in the expansion of kx plus 2 over x to the power of 4, where k is positive constant, term independent of x is equal to 150. Find the value of k and hence determine the coefficient of x squared in the expansion. Okay, so first we need to find the term independent of x. Okay, so we have for this independent of x means that there is no variable x ya. Jadi in this case, this is going to take some trial error, but the term independent of x in this case is kx squared times 2 over x squared for c2. Okay, so for this, maybe you will need to do some trial error to make sure that the x cancel out each other. Okay, now if we open this will become 6k squared x squared times 4 over x squared, hence we cancel out the x squared. Okay, which gets us 24k squared. Okay, now we get 24k squared. That is how many just now? 150. Okay, this is 150, so k squared equals to 6.25 and k equals to 2.5. Okay, so this is our first answer. Now the second answer, they want to find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion. Okay, so it's quite simple for this. Again, we need to do some trial error. Basically we are looking at kx to the power of 3 times 2 over x. Okay, then we are looking at v4c3. Okay, so if we open the bracket everything, this will become 4k cubed x squared times 2. Okay, so we get 8k cubed x cubed, and since the k is 2.5, so this is 8 times 2.5 to the power of 3, which gets us 125. This is our second answer. Yeah, so first k equals to 2.5 and the coefficient for x squared is 125. Okay, so for this type of question, please do some trial error first. Okay, so like now the first one, term independent of x, meaning that there will be no x on the coefficient or the constant lah. We are looking at the constant. Okay, now that way you need to find the part of the term that might cancel out each other and give you the desired answer. Okay, for this there is no fixed rule how to do that. Maybe you need to do some trial error. Okay, so for the first and second part you might need to do some trial error. For the second part is x squared, so meaning that x cubed divided by x, you get x squared. Okay, so we are not looking at the 4c2, yeah, because the 4c2 will actually give you over x, yeah. Okay, yeah, be careful with that. Yeah, 4c2 will give you independent of x, sorry. Yeah, 4c2 will give you independent of x. The one that we are looking for is x cubed, x squared, sorry. Yeah, x squared. So be careful on that. Okay, so that's it for number one.